is up, you guys? We are in Animal Kingdom today, and I'm rope dropping. It is currently 8:22.
Hello again.
It's so early, and the park opens at 9, so hopefully we can ride Flight of Passage without a million-hour wait.
Nice job. Nice job.
We have arrived, and we're walking very fast pace because we want to ride Pandora. Later, I shall take a picture in front of that beautiful tree, but now there's different priorities. The current situation, waiting for Pandora. The line is currently 75 minutes. So we've been in line for like 50 minutes. It's 9:30 currently.
Hello.
And the line is moving like so fast. So hopefully that's a good sign. Update you. We are about to get on the ride.
Yeah.
We've been waiting for almost 2 hours, hour and a half, and we are about to get on. We just got off Flight of Passage, and it was, even though it's not my first time riding it, it's such a good ride.
Yep, it really is.
It's incredible. In line to meet Pocahontas, and I'm so excited because she's my favorite princess.
Hi.
I shall insert a picture soon.
Okay, so all you have to do is put one foot forward, so you steady the ground, just like the roots of a tree. So that means the birds are doing. Keep those shoulders up, and those arms strong, like those branches near your wrist, just like that. Perfect.
Okay, so we are currently in Dino Land, and we got out of Flight of Passage a long time ago. What'd you think?
Yeah, it was fun.
What do you think, first timer?
About what?
Flight of Passage.
I love it. I mean, it's the best ride, the best simulator ever.
Yeah, it's so good. And I met Pocahontas, as you know. And yeah, I usually eat chicken nuggets, but there was shrimp in this restaurant, so got shrimp.
Hi.
Classic burger, free brownie. It is all in. So we just finished watching the Nemo show, and now we're in the Fast Pass line for Mount Everest. Hi. So yeah, you shall see. I'm gonna try and film on Mount Everest.
I brought it to Bill's attention
Attention,
this morning.
Expedition Everest team members.
He called it in last night.
OMG! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! OMG! 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 If you're gonna Disney all day, you gotta hit up the Starbucks because it gives you energy. And they have the special little Disney Parks drawing. We are entering Dinosaur, and we have fast passes for Dinosaur as well. So we'll see you. So this ride is super dark, so I don't think I'll be able to vlog on it. Hi! Because it's very dark and you can't see anything. It's just dinosaurs. Hi! What an adrenaline rush Dinosaur is. Good lord, I forgot how intense it was. But I freaking love that ride.
It's fun.
It's a classic.
Except because sometimes I duck my head because I think the dinosaurs are real.
Okay, you guys, so we are going on Dinosaur for a second time because it's awesome. So we are in the line to meet my favorite mice, Minnie and Mickey, in their safari outfits. And the wait is 30 minutes, so hopefully that is true and not a lie. Okay.
No cheese.
Yes. Okay. So
Okay, look at this cheese.
we got a free Mickey pretzel. We only asked for one, but they gave us two.
And they gave us cheese.
We said no cheese. So we just got out of Rivers of Light, and it was good.
Yep, it
But
was.
Fantasmic is still 100 million times better. Sorry, Animal Kingdom. You know, like. It was okay. It was okay. So I know it's like super dark, but we left the Rivers of Light, and now we are getting on Mount Everest for the second time.
Yep.
Ride repeaters, am I
The
right?
Rivers of Light, it wasn't that bad.
I already said that I didn't. It was okay. It was okay. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog on Mount Everest. They said the wait time was 25 minutes, but 2 minutes later, here we are about to board the train. So
we are.
Can they update it? Whoa! Okay, it's nighttime, so this video is gonna be so bad. This crap is still broken, bro. They haven't fixed it. Mount Everest at night is very fun, but you can't see anything. So I hope that my videos that I took aren't just pitch black screaming. So we are officially leaving Disney. Awful moment of the day, sad moment. And there's the beautiful tree if you can see it. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.